I would say that my hero is Rudy Lozano, and the main reason is because he was an activist, a local activist, and a very important person in the history of Mexican activism in the whole region. He was very active in Pilsen, and he was an organizer, a labor organizer, and he actually did a lot of important things that benefited the people in those areas. He was also a threat for the people who were in power, and that is the reason he was actually killed. And that is a crime that has not been solved. And I'm pretty sure he became a model for other peoples to follow. So that's pretty much why I think Rudy Lozano is very important. There is also a very interesting initiative to put together an archive of his work here at the University of Illinois Chicago, and I'm pretty sure that for other leaders, his work and his personal documents will also become a source of inspiration. So that's pretty much what I have to say.